Good evening, parents. I'm Dr. Melinda Stone, the principal here at Wood Creek Junior High. We are so excited that you've joined us this evening. We hope to give you a little bit of a glimpse into what your child's schedule is like, both walking it and getting to know their teachers. So remember that if your child has band or orchestra or choir, they have their own separate meeting on another night, or they might have already had it. So during that period, if your child has either band, orchestra, or choir, you are going to go to the cafeteria, go visit PTA, see how you can get involved, visit the spiritware tables, and take a little bit of a break from the schedule. And then you'll resume those once the bell schedule resumes. So it's really important for you to get connected with our communications. And there's several ways that we communicate through e-news. Please, if you're a Facebook user, that's a great source of information, including the PTA Facebook page. Twitter and Instagram, we have those as well for our school. We communicate a lot through social media. And also Katie on the Go app. If you have not downloaded the Katie on the Go app, it is a wealth of information. You can access almost everything that you need from that app, and you use your Home Access Center login to log in there. You can access the bus GPS system app through there. Also, the A+ Pay and Go app that is brand new this year that you can pay for fees, course fees, and for your cafeteria balances for your students. So you can check grades, you can find out the library books if they're due or not, and it gives you a lot of information on that particular website. You can also follow schools. If you're not getting Timberwolf Times, go look to see if you have to resubscribe to that. You can do that in the app as well. The Timberwolf Times goes out every Wednesday, and it has a wealth of information in there. We try to put everything that you would need to know as a parent. And the beauty of the Timberwolf Times is you can go back to previous versions if you save them. So, and they'll be in your app as well. So any notification that you get from us, you can go back to previous Timberwolf Times. So we'll provide a lot of information in there for you of things that are coming up, etc. The other app that's gone live that I want to talk to you a little bit about is the Speak Up app, where parents and community members, students can anonymously report students that might be in crisis, or if there's a potential safety threat to our campus that you might see on social media or in some other way. Again, you can always come talk to us or call us about those things, but the app is if you want to report that anonymously, and it's a quick way for us to know that something else is going on. So the number one priority for us is to provide safety for your children, but social, emotionally, and also just being safe in the building. And so that Speak Up app could potentially help us. But I would remind your child to take that seriously, because it is anonymous, and so sometimes we might get some ones that are not actually accurate. So if you could talk to them about the importance of reporting things that they see, it's very important to talk to us, to talk to a counselor, or to report it in the Speak Up app. Well, we hope that you have a fantastic evening this evening, and that you find it worthwhile. We're so glad that you're here, and we are extremely glad that we get to work with your children each and every day. Go Timberwolves!